was $200.
Well, let's see. That one was 400. That's crazy, bro. The ones that are bigger. They're like 4 pounds, man. Yeah.
You got the lighter with you, right?
Yeah. So we wanna, yeah. So I wanna start like tying all this shit together too, you know? And we'll just.
So I'm just throwing them down, right?
Yeah. Just like we did it before. Yeah, just like before, man. And I'm gonna start, tying shit together.
Huh?
See what happens, you know.
8:30.
Oh gosh. Oh yeah, man. For sure. Well, almost all of them going together. Mason. Yeah.
So we gotta go get our shit too.
Yep, go ahead, man. I got this, bro. Yeah, you guys got a whole pyrotechno.
Yeah.
You guys,
So when you said a lot of fireworks, I didn't think you meant like a lot, but
yeah, dude.
Neil,
So, are you guys actually?
Cup's right there too.
Are you guys lighting this stuff, or do you have actual
we have
like
a torch.
computer shit? Oh, you got your torch, right? Yeah.
You guys have the torches here or no?
We shit.
Fuck, man.
Fucking torch, dude. Man. I do have a torch,
We'll
but
just pass it off.
let's see. I might. Let me see if my torch.